Hello everyone, here is the video we made in our course Virtual Worlds of Computing under the guidance of Dr. Lee. Our project is a model of a smart childcare facility and the teammates include myself Vidya and Sheetal. This project is done using the tool Second Life. Here we would like to thank not only Dr. Lee who gave us support and instruction but also Saurav Jana for their help. We also thank the IBM Smart Cloud Enterprise for sponsoring the cloud platform to carry out our project. Our goal has been to create a child-friendly home. Our goal has been to not only create a child-friendly secure home but also to provide lively educational activities for the children. This demo gives us a brief tour of our facility. First, we have provided an authentication system of entering, wherein a password is prompted when the user rings the bell. We will gain authorization only when the right password is corrected in the nearby chat window. And we see the door slides open, facilitating the avatar to come inside the facility. Once we enter the facility, we can register ourselves by clicking on the table. We see that a prompt appears immediately saying that an email has been transferred to the registrar's account. Moving on, we see the color of the room changing. This happens every 5 seconds or to the time that we can set. This gives a lively environment. Then we come to the living room area where we see media is being streamed on the television. This live feed as well as media gives a visual aid learning tool for the children. Then we move on to the kitchen. Here, food can be cooked for the children. Let us take a moment to navigate towards the kitchen. We see that it is equipped with a pot used for cooking as well as a fire alarm. Now when we press the cooking facility, we see the fire alarm is set once the fire is started. Then we see the nearest exit paths get highlighted. As these arrows appear, we move on to the Learning Imparting Center. Over here, we see there are symbols denoting numbers. Once we click on those symbols, we can get their corresponding number on the screen. This will help us teach basic mathematical operations like counting. Then we move on to observe there are symbols of shapes. Once we click on these respective shapes, we can see their color and their shape being displayed. As we observe, the decor of the room is also suited for the appropriate season. For example, we have a jack-o'-lantern because it's autumn, and we also have a table and chair for kids doing handicrafts or reading. We also observe there is a hovering clock on the side. Moving to the side, we observe an interactive communication channel where there's a communication between Second Life and the real world. Now, if we want to initiate a request from Second Life, we enter the user ID as well as the request over here, the schedule, and we click on the upload button. Once this is done, we see that the request has been processed for that user and the holiday schedule is sent to the required email address. Hence, we see communication being facilitated from the real world and Second Life. Moving on, we see that there is an open area for recreation. There's a picnic table and an open space for children to take a break and to get some fresh air, because sports activities is also important. And we also see a fountain and any eye-appeasing facilities. We hope you liked our demo, and we do want to add more facilities in the future. As of now, thank you for watching.